LASIK, and we're not going to go into the actual term because it's a horribly convoluted, totally non-understandable term, means we're creating a little thin layer from the top of the window to the eye of the cornea that we lift up. We do a reshaping of that cornea in the bed that where the little layer had been lifted up from, and we put that little layer back on top to allow for the fastest possible recovery and a more accurate treatment that's not going to be affected by changes on the surface layer in the long term and in any other way.